Good morning, students. Let us revise modal auxiliary. Read the following examples. May I help you in your work? He would often complain about his health. I am sure you could explain it well. I will complete this work as soon as possible. Children, the words underlined above are modal auxiliaries. Now, what do you mean by a modal? A modal is a verb that combines with another verb to express the mood of the verb. Modals are used to express permission, possibility, certainty, wish, capability, obligation, order, polite, request, etc. Let us learn more about the different modals and their function. The different modals and their function are may. May is used to seek or express permission. For example, may I help you? Might is past tense of may. Might and may both are used to express possibility. For example, I may go to school today. Second example, the function might be organized in a simple manner. May is also used to express wish or curse. Example, may you prosper in your life. Next modal auxiliary is will. Will is used to express certainty. For example, we will always try our best. Second example, we will win this tournament. It's certainty that they are going to win the tournament. Next modal auxiliary is can. Can is used to express ability or capability of a person of doing something. For example, you can accomplish your goal if you strive for it. Second example is faith can move mountains. Let us move on to the next modal, that is could. Could is used to indicate past ability. For example, we could easily handle the matter. Need not is used to express necessity or absence of necessity. For example, you needn't bother, just relax. Would. Would is used to express past discontinued action. Example, mother would burn the candle at both ends to make the two ends meet. Let us move on to our next examples. Must have. Must have, a modal auxiliary, is used to express past discontinued action. For example, they must have completed their task by now. They must have regained their strength for the next battle. Another modal auxiliary is must. Here, must is used to express compulsion. Examples are we must follow traffic rules. Another example is we must be sincere in doing our work. Moving on to our next slide, we have another modal auxiliary ought to. Ought to is used to express moral obligation. For example, we ought to take steps to control deforestation. Another example is we ought to be sensitive and help the needy. Let us move on to our next example. The another modal auxiliary is should. Should is used to express command or order. Examples are you should carry out your duties sincerely. You should help your mother in kitchen. Let us move on to our next modal auxiliary, May and could. May and could both are used to express polite request. For example, could you please do me a favor? Another example is for may I help you? Children, with the help of these model auxiliaries, you should be in position to identify the sentences that are used in your text, in your lessons to complete the textual grammar. Thank you.